This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Number 5, how to use your ultradian rhythm to your benefit. Now, if you're asking what is an ultradian rhythm, this is exactly what it is. It's a waveform going up, going down, exactly like a wave, where at the peak, you have the most energy, you're getting the most done, you are on top of your game, and at the trough, at the bottom, you want to rest, you don't feel so good, you don't want to do as much, you kind of take it a little slower. But that's what an ultradian rhythm is, where every 90 seconds is about what it breaks out into. You hit the peak, you're getting a lot done, and at the end of that 90-minute period, you are ready to rest. Your body is needing a break. So you can use that to your benefit here. Now, the goal is simple. The goal is to get as much done as possible. So you're going to work during the peaks, do as much as you can during the peaks when your biological clock, when your mental clock, when your body is ready to do it. Then you're going to rest during the troughs. Now, you might be thinking at this point, well, okay, how do I find this? How do I get to where I can actually work during these rhythms? Because I don't know when my ultradian rhythm, ultradian clock is going. The best way to capture this is to journal. So have a little notepad, a pen ready to go. When do you feel the most productive during the day? Is it 11? Maybe it's 11:30. When do you feel the least productive? Maybe it's right before lunch, where you're hitting that trough, where you're hitting that bottom point of the ultradian rhythm. But if you journal and you know when it is specifically, day in, day out, then you're a lot more likely to tap into the benefits and the increased productivity from the peaks and troughs of this. You can always just do this electronically, Penzu, and getting set up, keeping track of your ultradian rhythm.